Older HVAC systems are definitely more prone to needing repairs compared to newer models. This is due to several factors. Wear and tear. Over time, the various components of the system experience wear and tear from regular use. This can lead to decreased performance, malfunctions, and eventually, breakdowns. Outdated technology. Older systems use technology that is less efficient and more susceptible to problems compared to newer models with advanced features and designs. Lack of maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing issues and extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. However, older systems may be neglected or improperly maintained, further accelerating their decline. Here are some specific examples of frequent repairs that older HVAC systems might need. Compressor issues. The compressor is the heart of the system, and its failure can be costly to repair. Refrigerant leaks. Leaks can affect the system's cooling capacity and require professional attention. Electrical problems. Wiring and other electrical components can degrade over time, leading to malfunctions and potential safety hazards. Clogged filters and coils. Dirt and debris buildup can restrict airflow and reduce efficiency, requiring cleaning or replacement. While frequent repairs can be a hassle and an expense, it's important to remember that they can sometimes be preventative measures. Addressing small issues early on can prevent them from turning into major breakdowns requiring complete system replacements. However, if your older system requires constant repairs and is no longer efficient, it might be time to consider a replacement with a newer, more reliable and energy-efficient model. If you're concerned about the reliability or efficiency of your aging HVAC system, it's always best to consult with a qualified professional for an assessment and recommendations. They can help you determine whether repairs are still worthwhile or if a replacement is the better option for your specific situation. Please check description for much more.